Welcome. So happy that you're back. If you're new here, my name is Britt and this is the Banana Diaries. Check out this new mug. I got it for Christmas and I'm like so excited about it. Nice banana logo. Digging it. We're gonna be making plant-based overnight oats 3 ways. And guess what? There's 20 grams of protein in each jar, which is pretty phenomenal for a plant-based breakfast recipe. The flavors that we're gonna be making are chocolate and hazelnut, peanut butter banana, and vanilla almond blueberry. Basically, we're gonna be using one base overnight oats recipe, and I'm gonna show you a few twists along the way. These recipes are great for whenever you want an easy go-to breakfast the night before. If you wanna meal prep a few of them ahead of time, it's so simple, and it's packed with nutrients thanks to one secret ingredient, which I will share. So let's get started. The basic overnight oats recipe. This is super simple, and you can really just go riff off of any flavors that you want to add to this, but these are my 3 favorite flavors that we're doing. So the base recipe is half a cup of oats, a third a cup of dairy-free yogurt, a third a cup of coconut milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, and a little bit of maple syrup. Super simple, very easy. And the secret ingredient is pea protein powder. I use this brand, this is my favorite, along with Nuzest. Nuzest has some flavored pea protein. This is just straight pea protein. I will say that the flavor is very much like any other protein powder that you would expect. It's not like the best flavor, but once we doctor up the recipes, they taste so amazing that you won't even tell. Each tablespoon has 8 grams of protein, which is amazing. Also keep in mind, I'm not a nutritionist. I'm just showing you how I really eat and how I keep healthy for me. So just disclaimer, keep that in mind. Let's get rolling. So let's start with the base overnight oats recipe, and then we'll doctor it up as we go. First, we'll add in a half a cup of the oats, along with 3 tablespoons of the pea protein powder. Give this a nice little swirl so that everything is mixed in, and then you won't get these clumps of pea protein in there, because let me tell you, that is not the tastiest. So this is what it'll look like when it's all mixed up. Next up, we have the dairy-free yogurt, coconut milk, a little bit of vanilla, and some maple syrup. Give it all a mix. And here's what the base layer will look like. So now that we have our base layer, it's just a vanilla base. We can doctor it up to be any flavor that we want. So I'm gonna show you how to do the peanut butter banana one, the chocolate hazelnut one, and the blueberry vanilla almond one. So for the blueberry vanilla almond one, what you're gonna do is just gonna add in some almonds, mix it all around, cover this overnight, and then we're gonna top in the morning with some blueberries and extra almond butter if you would want, and some banana. And because this is YouTube, I've already put together one that I've left overnight. So this is the consistency and texture. I just topped with a few blueberries, almonds, and bananas extra, and then obviously added this from the photo shoot. But it's super thick and gooey, and you can see that I swirled in the almond butter there. Tastes amazing, and it is perfect for bringing on the go if you want to take this to work with you, or if you're in a hurry and need to just eat in the flash. This is one of my favorite flavors. Next up, for the peanut butter banana, we're just going to be slicing in a few banana slices. Give it a nice mix. Cover this to sit overnight, and then we're gonna top it with peanut butter and extra banana in the morning. So here is the overnight oats for the peanut butter banana flavor, and I topped with some chocolate chunks as well, because I think that peanut butter and banana and chocolate is like just the best flavor combo. I just swirled in some peanut butter around there, and then topped with extra banana and chocolate chunks. You can also mix those in as well. Again, one of my favorite flavors. You cannot go wrong with banana. And now for our last recipe, we're gonna be doing the chocolate hazelnut. So all you're gonna do is add in a tablespoon of cacao powder, a few hazelnut chunks. We're just gonna stir it all around together. And that is our finished product. So we're just going to cover this overnight, and then we'll top it in the morning. And the final finished product is the chocolate hazelnut. I just swirled in some cacao hazelnut butter, which I got from Artisana. I love it, and it's also palm oil free. I had to remember what oil it was free of. So I just also added in a few chunks of hazelnut on top. And again, if you want dessert for breakfast, or if you want to have this as like a healthier dessert, this is a good go-to. I honestly don't know which one I want to have right now. I feel like I'm going for the peanut butter banana because that just sounds amazing. So all of these recipes you can find on the blog. I'm gonna link that down below in the description box. But if you try one of these, let me know which one is your favorite flavor, or if you have another flavor if you have another flavor preference, let me know down below in the comments section. I'd love to know. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and also sign up for my email newsletter if you want to have recipes delivered to your email. Currently working on a very special project, so I'm only doing 2 recipes a week, but it will be going back up to 3 recipes a week in March, so stay tuned for that. I share more of my daily eats on Instagram, so if you're interested in that, go give me a follow at _banana diaries. All right, Banana signing out. I'm gonna go get to work and do stuff. So yeah, go have a beautiful day. Drink some coffee, smile, you're alive, you're breathing. It's a wonderful day. All right, bye.